Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add tickets to Google Wallet. It's pretty much a straightforward process. So whether it's for a concert, flight, or event, we have got you covered. First, you need to buy your tickets through a participating provider's app or website. Now, this could be an airline, event venue, or ticket broker that supports Google Wallet integration. Now, after you purchase, look for the Add to Google Wallet button, which is located at the bottom right corner of your Google Wallet app. Now, it's found, of course, on the confirmation page. Of course, it is also found on the confirmation page in your email receipt or within the provider's app. So, tap on Add to Google Wallet. So, like I said, buy your ticket through a participating provider's app or website. This could be an airline, event venue, or ticket broker that supports Google Wallet integration. Now, after your purchase on that platform, not your Google Wallet app, on that ticket provider platform, go ahead and look for the Add to Google Wallet button, which you'll find. It's typically on the confirmation page in your email receipt or within the provider's app. Now, once you tap on Add to Google Wallet, go ahead and confirm by tapping Add. If you haven't installed the Google Wallet app yet, you'll be prompted to download it. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. All right, so open the Google Wallet app to ensure your ticket has been added successfully. You should see it listed among your passes on your homepage here. So that's it. So if your ticket is in PDF format or lacks the Add to Google Wallet option, you may not be able to add it directly. Google Wallet doesn't support PKPass files or certain PDF tickets. So ensure you're signed into the correct Google account associated with your ticket purchase to avoid issues. For tickets with barcodes or QR codes, some users have found success by taking a screenshot and using the Add to Wallet feature with the image, though this isn't officially supported. So that's how to add tickets. All right, of course, if you have purchased your ticket, you can just come over to the Wallet app. That's the Google Wallet app itself. Click on Add to Wallet, and you can see loyalty card, gift card, transport pass, payment card, everything else. So you can just click on this, everything else, where you can take a photo of any pass like an event ticket, gym membership, or insurance. Just click on it and activate the camera and scan the ticket. So you need to agree to this and scan your ticket from here. So, or you can just click on this to upload your ticket from your gallery. So that's how to add it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.